Okay, I'm going to do a quick demo on adding snapshot template inventory IDs and standard inventory IDs that use the snapshot templates. So we'll start out in location C01, go to inventory, document inventory, and the first thing we'll do is the inventory for the snapshot template. Now those start with an asterisk and a space. So asterisk, space, and since the first one is going to be location specific, we will use the C01 location. And then the name of it's going to be M and TE. So this will give us a snapshot template of C01-M and TE. So any standard inventories that are of this name, we'll use this template. So go to snapshot. And I'm going to add some selection criteria just so we can see that it picked up the right template. Okay. I'm going to copy, just for convenience sake, the first or the last part of the title for the snapshot there. Leave off the asterisk and space. Return and paste. Well, I must not have copied it. So C01-M and TE. That's basically, it was the snapshot template inventory ID without the asterisk and the space in front of it. Right click, and we're going to pick the first option, which is creating a standard LOV inventory that's specific to the current location, C01. We click it, it creates the inventory ID and drops us down where we can start doing the inventory, or we can create a snapshot. We'll create the snapshot, confirm that it did bring the right template. Okay, create a snapshot, same number where it's created, and there we have that. Return. Now we can drop back down and start filling out our inventory. I'm going to pick the same bin that I specified in my selection criteria. Tab over to tool control number and add a tool. Okay, do the check, save, no issues, okay. So we've got our template that's location specific done, and we've created a standard inventory ID. Next thing we're going to do is create the M&TE snapshot template inventory. So I'm going to copy M&TE, insert a new record, start it with the asterisk and space. This time we'll have to take off the criteria for the location, because this is a generic one, not location specific. So we get rid of the C01 and the equal, and create our generic snapshot template. A lot more items are picked up because we're no longer filtering on the current location. C01. Return. And now we're ready to create the standard inventory item ID for M&TE. So we put in M&TE, right click, and we're going to save data and add a new standard LOV inventory specific to current location. No, that's not the one. It's the second one where it says no location. Created the generic M&TE inventory identifier, and we're now ready to start taking the inventory, or we can do a snapshot. And it brought back the right snapshot template for M&TE. Return, and at this point we can start entering our data. Okay. Pre-post check, save, everything's fine. So we've got one row in this for M&TE standard inventory. So let's get out and change our location and come back in. Now we're in H08. And we're going to pick. There was the first one we did that was location specific, and here's the non-location specific one. And we come back, and now we see we've got a problem because H08 does not have a diamond bin. So we'll pick the bin we want. And add another tool. Do a pre-post check. Save. And now we have two items in our M&TE inventory here that are from different tool rooms. That's it for generic and specific standard inventory IDs.